Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today I am all over the gosh darn place. But interestingly enough, it's in a way that advances one company and kind of slows down another. First off, I'm working on getting the Dispatching for Beginners course ready to go live on my website in the very near future. So that is something I'm actively working on. For the disaster relief company I'm working on, I've been on the phone with insurance companies, with the people that I'm contracting with soon on getting me better rates for the amount of work we're doing, or to be done, to be more precise with my words. And of course, doing gig work myself, because I gotta pay the bills too while these companies are still in their growing phases. And unfortunately, when you're working on so many other things, some things kind of get lost in the wind, such as scripting all of the different topics that I say that I'm going to talk about. You see, a lot of the times I use like news to kind of bridge the gap between scripting properly on some of the videos that I need to make. And right now the news is kind of either slow on the fun side or just riddled with UberEats drivers, Doordash drivers, Instacart shoppers being mauled or some sort of injured on their way to a delivery or by a customer or something to that effect. And of course, it's never turns out good. And I try to avoid those topics because number one, it's morbid. Number two, it's localized. And number three, we all know it's a thing. I don't need to fearmonger anymore. I don't need to fearmonger like that. Not to mention, it's on my Google alerts like all the time. And sometimes I'll go into the comment section for some inspiration. And a lot of the comments that I'm already seeing are either on topics I've already covered or on topics that I probably should delve deeper at a different angle, but I haven't really scripted that out yet because on this giant list of topics that I have yet to write. Scripting for YouTube videos is, in my opinion, one of those things that are important but not urgent. And if you keep ignoring it, being me, if I keep ignoring it, it becomes urgent when there's a gap in news content. And I said that I was going to handle it before the new year, like I was going to have a bunch of stuff scripted, but everything else got in the way. I've never had to go into a new year with working on 3 different companies, so this is new for me. But I guess I'm going to give you a little heads up on some of the things that are happening. Obviously, we already said that we're working on the Dispatching for Beginners course and the Disaster Relief Company. Working on some final touches for the gig board, which will be available in the Driven Wyld Discord server. If you're not already part of that, what are you doing? Get on board. I conducted an interview with Miko again, and I gotta edit that out yet. Again, over an hour's worth of content, so it's a lot to sift through. Lots of good stuff coming. So I'm gonna take the remainder of the night to continue to edit through that and write out a script and work on some other stuff. But take some time. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you want. Of course, you can email me at drivenwyld@gmail.com. And let's make sure 2025 is the year where we make the most amount of money in the least amount of time and in the safest possible way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.